How to request a credit limit increase within Chase. Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we will be explaining you through how we can do so. So let's just get started without any delay. So, there are some methods available if you would like to request a credit limit increase with Chase. One of them is making a request online. So many credit issuers allow card members to request a credit limit increase online through their website or user portal. You can directly head over to their website, which is chase.com, and sign in into your account and submit a request. In some cases, you may have to update your information, such as your annual income. That is one of the methods you can apply. Another thing is you can directly call your credit card company. In the back of your card, it has a customer service number available. You can call them and learn if you're eligible for an increased limit. You may even have to answer some questions regarding your request and your financial situation. But if you meet the requirements, they can put in a request for you. Once submitted, you may receive a decision immediately, or you may have to wait up to 30 days before receiving an answer. And that way, also, you can request a credit limit increase within Chase. So these are some of the methods available if you would like to request a credit limit increase. But before that, you also need to know some eligibility that will be applicable if you would like to do so. You need to make your on-time payments, you make more than the minimum monthly payments, or pay off your balance in full. And other factors that creditors may consider are whether you have recently changes to your income, your credit score, whether you have ever maxed out your credit card, those kind of things. And if you are eligible, you may just go ahead and follow the process I told earlier, and you should be able to request a credit limit increase within the Chase Bank. So that's it for today's video. You may follow up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.